Hello and welcome to RDMP Server. This is a short tutorial on how to stream live with our control panel. You will receive an email with the login to the control panel. Enter your email and password, which you will find on the email. You will see available services that you bought or ordered free. In your service dashboard, find the RDMP URL, streaming key, and password protection on the left or below. Below that, view connections and viewer count. Further down, a Google map displays viewer locations by country. Open your encoder, in this case OBS, and navigate to Settings, then select Stream. Copy the RDMP URL from the control panel and paste it into the OBS server field. Repeat for the stream key and username, which is identical to the stream key. And finally, enter the password. This RDMP protected system ensures your service is secure from unauthorized streaming. Adjust your bitrate settings based on your package and needs. Free packages support up to 3,000 kilobits, while higher tiers allow for a maximum of 4,500. Higher bitrates improve stream quality but consume more bandwidth, increasing costs. For mobile streaming, 600 to 700 kilobits per second is sufficient. In OBS, navigate to Settings, click on Output, and set your bitrate accordingly. Click OK at the bottom of OBS, then from the main interface, select Start Streaming. As observed, your OBS stream is now actively displayed within the control panel's dashboard player. At the top of the menu, select HTML embed code. You'll find 3 distinct player options available for selection. Experiment to determine which player suits your needs best and click Apply. Then on the right side, copy the provided embed code and paste it into your website. To obtain the playlist M3U8 URL, navigate to the left menu and click on Widgets and Links. Here, you'll find a variety of links, including the M3U8 URL. Copy this URL for use in your own player or to test it within a VLC player. In summary, you have several options available. By selecting Configure, you can proceed to the security settings to disable the RDMP password. Doing so will provide you with just the RDMP URL and the stream key. With these settings, you can secure your stream, ensuring that only users on your site have access to it. The control panel is intuitively designed for user-friendliness, accommodating everything from shared plans to our dedicated streaming servers. We highly recommend getting acquainted with its features by signing up for our free demo account before you decide to purchase a package. Thank you very much, and we hope you find our service enjoyable.